Hi guys, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I will be making a washing machine. So something that usually comes with the Playmobil set. But yeah, I was thinking maybe not everyone bought an entire set but just the figurine. So they should also have a washing machine. And I wanted to show you how you can make one from scratch. So if you want to see how it's made, stay tuned and I'll show you exactly how you can do it yourself. You will need cardboard or thicker paper. I decided to use green and make it a colorful washing machine. Then I also have black and glittery cardboard too, so use whatever you have lying around. Also, what you will need is a ruler and a pencil. Apart from that, glue, a hole puncher, and I have here a circle puncher, but you can also cut it out with scissors if that's easier for you. So here is the other side of my cardboard, and I put it on the edge and fold a line so it doesn't matter how long. So we'll mark 1 centimeter and then 3 times 3.5 centimeters away from it. And again 1 centimeter at the end. So this is what it looks like now. You should have some spots here. And if you have other dolls, make it about hip height, make it realistic, so the sizes can vary according to your doll figurine. So here we'll do 3 centimeters. Here too, so we can do it right away at 3, at 6, and then at 9. So I hope you can notice how I made something like a grid. So I have here 2 points, always for a line. And I'll do another time 3 centimeter marks and 4 centimeter marks. Here we are, so we'll connect them all. So, yeah, what I crossed over, it needs to be cut out. So we should have something like a cross. So when this dries, we can close it up and do it again. So here's our washing machine, and now we need the part where you can see through when it's working, so the glass part. I'll do a couple of golden buttons. And our washing machine is done. So I hope you guys like the result. Let me know if you want to do it another way, or how you designed yours if you did it this way. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the project. I hope it was fun. If it was, shoot a thumbs up to let me know. And yeah, I'll see you in one of our future videos. Until then, have a great day. Bye!